In today's video, I'll teach you how to change Grab payment method to cash. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open the Grab application. You can see over here, I have already opened it. Now what you have to do is start a booking by selecting a ride or ordering a meal as you normally would. Here I'm just going to book a car. For that, tap on the option car. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll have to select the destination. Simply tap on the option where to. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to select the destination. Search for the destination or select the destination that is displayed on the screen right now. Now after you do that, also select the pickup location. Tap on the field of pickup at. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select the pickup location over here. Tap on the location of your choice. Now what you have to do is tap on this option, choose this pickup. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like cash and offers right over here. Make sure cash option is selected. Now after the cash option is selected, what you can do is simply tap on this option book standard or book. Now once you do that, you might be able to see other payment methods that you've added to the account over here. Make sure to select the option for cash. Once you do that, your payment method will be selected to the cash. Keep in mind, you'll be able to change your payment method to cash at any time before or during your trip. Once the change is successful, your payment method will be set to cash. So like this, you'll be able to change Grab payment method to cash. So that is how you change Grab payment method to cash. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.